In this video, we're going to analyze Kyoko Otonashi's quote from Maison Ikkoku. First, let's watch the scene and then we'll go over the grammar.
一日でいいから私より長生きして。
So today's quote is 一日でいいから私より長生きして。一日 means one day. If you have already learned the dates in Japanese, you know the first date of the month is spelled the same, but it's read as ついたち. So when you read this kanji, you need to know if it's the period of time one day or the first date of the month. But after 2, the reading is the same. So 2 days and the second date of the month are both read as 2日. If you want to make it clear that it is a period of time, you can add 間 at the end. So 2日間 always means for 2 days. On the other hand, when it's the date of the month, you usually put the particle に after the date, so you can tell which one it is. For example, 2日 or 2日間絶食した meaning I fasted for 2 days. 2日に絶食した meaning I fasted on the second. Noun でいい means fine with something or something is good enough. So 一日でいい means fine with one day. Here are some examples. 時間がないから夕飯は出前でいい meaning I don't have time, so is delivery fine for dinner? 私はお酒飲めないから水でいいよ meaning I can't drink alcohol, so I'm fine with water. から following the clause means so. atashi means I, which is commonly used by females in casual speech. Yori means than, so atashi yori means than me. Nagaiki is a noun meaning a long life. Shite is the te form of the verb suru, meaning to do. This te form is used for request. It's more polite than the imperative form shiro, which is used to give orders, but more casual than shite kudasai, meaning please do. It can be used among equals or by a superior towards the inferior. So, 長生きして means live long as a request. If you translate the whole sentence directly, 一日でいいから one day is fine, so 私より長生きして live longer than me. And that can be translated to live longer than me even by one day. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.